everyone, welcome back to the Tangerine Quarantine YouTube channel. I'm Emma and today I'm going to be showing you how to light a fire using a flint and steel and a cotton wool ball. For your own safety, when lighting a fire you need to make sure that if you have long hair it is tied up so it won't fall in front of your face, and if you have any loose pieces of clothing such as anything around your neck, maybe like a necker or a scarf or anything like that, you need to make sure you remove it before trying to light a fire. You will also need a quick way of putting it out. Now most people think that you would just stomp on it with your foot, however you do not do that because you will have shoes which probably won't have robust enough soles, so do not stamp on it, do not do that. What you want is to have a jug of water nearby so you can just put it out that way. You're also going to need to make a barrier around where you're going to light your fire. So since the wind is coming from the bottom of the screen, that means that I've put the brick here, here and here, so it won't get blown that way and it will just stay where we want it so we can light a fire there. So now to actually lighting the fire, make sure that you crouch beside it rather than sitting down so you can quickly step up and walk away. When it comes to actually using your flint and steel, this is your steel and this is your flint. So this is where the spark will be coming from and this is what you use to create it. So to do so, you need to hold your steel at a 45-degree angle to the flint. So hold it comfortably with whatever hand you write with. So I'm right-handed, so I'll hold the steel with my right hand and the flint with my left. And then put it at a 45-degree angle. Then all you have to do is strike as hard as you can. Now, I've just used a new bit, so it took a while to get started. But there you go. So you just have to push down firmly and strike across. This can take a few tries, but just keep having a go and I'm sure you'll grasp it. Now when it comes to preparing your cotton wool, which I've got grass in, what you want to do is make sure that you've fluffed it out. So all you have to do is just tug at it in different spots because the more air you have in it, the better. So for our fire to actually light, you need to make sure you know the fire triangle. So in this triangle, you're going to have heat, oxygen and fuel. So if you take one of these aspects away, your fire won't light or it won't stay alight. The heat is coming from your flint and steel, the fuel is your cotton wool, and because we've set it up in the wind barrier, we are in the open, meaning that it's going to have plenty of oxygen. Okay, so now that I'm all prepped with my fluffed out cotton wool and I've taken off my necker, and I have my water right beside me, I am now all set to have a go at lighting my cotton wool. So all I'm going to do again is take the steel in my right hand, the flint in my left hand, have a couple more practice strikes. Yep, I'm happy with that. So once you have grasped how to actually strike your flint and steel, all you have to do is then aim down but far enough away from the cotton wool that you're not going to put your hands over it. So I normally rest my hands on one of the bricks and then strike down. This can take a few attempts because sometimes cotton wool doesn't strike straight away, but you should be fine eventually. Oh, there we go. So now I have myself a little fire. So make sure you then don't go and touch it or anything, just let it burn away and then you've lit yourself a fire. Since I don't want it to keep burning, I'm going to put it out with some water and there we go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this.